settles on the windowsill. A sparrow sings outside. The day arrives without a map, and I greet it from inside. In the space between breaths, my heart opens wide, holding wonder and longing side by side. In the space between breaths, something quiet grows, like the first green shoot of spring, breaking through the snow. Some stories take a season, some take many years, roots reaching through the darkness toward the light that appears. I can feel the strengthening like a tree beneath the ground, growing rings I cannot see, holding steady where I'm found. In the space between breaths, my heart opens wide, holding wonder and longing side by side. In the space between breaths, life unfolds its way, and I meet it with an open heart again today. Morning settles on the windowsill. A sparrow sings outside. The day arrives without a map, and I greet it from inside. In the space between breaths, my heart opens wide, holding wonder and longing side by side. In the space between breaths, something quiet grows, like the first green shoot of spring, breaking through the snow. Some stories take a season, some take many years, roots reaching through the darkness toward the light that appears. I can feel the strengthening like a tree beneath the ground, growing rings I cannot see, holding steady where I'm found. In the space between breaths, my heart opens wide, holding wonder and longing side by side. In the space between breaths, life unfolds its way, and I meet it with an open heart again today. Between breaths, morning settles on the windowsill. A sparrow sings outside. The day arrives without a map, and I greet it from inside. In the space between breaths, my heart opens wide, holding wonder and longing side by side. In the space between breaths, something quiet grows, like the first green shoot of spring, breaking through the snow. Some stories take a season, some take a minute.